Hello UCM, this is Mark Cabral, and I'm the current chair of the Nominations Committee. In this committee, our main duty is to prayerfully search and recommend to Council on new leaders to replace outgoing members of the Council, as well as outgoing members of the Nominations Committee. Our committee is composed of 7 members, and it's my privilege to introduce them to you. Here are the members of the Nominations Committee.
Hi, I'm King Ortiza.
Hi, I'm Rico Del Rosario.
Hello, my name is Louise Hubert.
Hi, I'm Giovanni.
Hello, I'm Jennifer.
Hi, it's Baste Quinones.
Hello, I'm Jennifer.
And now, we are at that time of year where we need the congregation's help. Yes, your help. To send in nominations for individuals who are willing and have the heart to serve our God and our community.
You may send your nominations by filling out Nominations Form A, which is available on the Union Church's website. You can choose to print out a copy, fill it out manually, and email a copy or a screenshot to nominations@unionchurch.ph. Or you may submit it electronically via Google Form, which is also on the website.
The submission of Form A will begin a process where we will reach out to your nominee and meet with them to get to know them better.
This meeting will help us as we pray and listen for God's leading on where there could be a good fit between the nominees and the vacant slate for the following year.
If you are wondering what it's like to serve on the council, you may go to the UCM website. There are videos there of our current and previous leaders sharing about their experience serving on the council. You may also request to be an observer on the church council monthly meetings.
So, if you have someone in mind right now, we encourage you to pray and seek the Lord's guidance. Check with the person whom you are nominating that he or she is willing to be nominated, and then send in your nomination.
We look forward to receiving your nominations. If you have questions about Nominations Committee or need clarifications on the process of nomination, feel free to reach out to any of us, or you may send an email to nominations@unionchurch.ph.
On behalf of the Nominations Committee, we want to thank you, Union Church, for your support, your participation, and your prayers. God bless.